Hello, Scotty Animation here, and this is another edition of Scotty Animation Retro Hour. This is a Commodore 64 computer. I got this off eBay about a month and a half ago. It did not come with a power supply, did not come with any cables. It is missing the F1 key. Actually, it's been broke off. And it's got a crack right here in the case. I think that happened during shipping because in the photographs on eBay it didn't have that. So, you know, that's just the luck of the draw. Since I didn't have a Commodore 64 power supply, I hacked my 128 power supply and got it somewhat kind of soldered in there on a 7-pin connector. I've got the SD2 IEC 1541 drive emulator connected to this. I got a monitor cable, so I've got audio, video connected up to this little monitor TV thing over here. I've got a joystick connected to it, and actually this is the second joystick I got. I gotta repair this one, but it still works, but I can tell that something inside is broken slightly. So, but I think it's still going to work. So I'm going to power this on. I paid $35 for this, which I thought was a pretty good deal. So I'm going to see how good of a deal that was. Oh, we got power, and we got a screen. Okay, let's see if this drive works here. Keyboard's kind of sticky. This drive's working. Keyboard's kind of a little flaky. See how the sound works, if it's working. Pretty cool. Got graphics. And we have audio. What about that? And it seems to be working. Cool beans. All right. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I just need to clean it up. Need to fix the keyboard on it. Or actually, I guess what I could do, I could swap out this VIC-20 keyboard. This one's got problems, so I don't think it's going to miss the keyboard. So I could swap that out with the 64. I think it's compatible. I mean, it's like exactly the same, or supposedly. I think I'm going to have to research that. So, and actually, yeah, well, I can't put it in the case because all the connectors are different. That's a shame. But I think that I would rather keep this in its original case. Maybe I can do something about this crack. I mean, it's pretty bad, but it extends about, it's about 2.5 inches. But I might be able to work that out. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments and thumbs up, thumbs down, and thanks for watching. This is Scotty Animation. I'll talk to you guys later.